Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the second lab assignment of the Ddco. In the problem statement, they are given that design a Verilog HDL to implement simple circuit using structural data flow and behavioral model. So we have to implement the given expression in these three models. Okay. Now I am writing the expression y is equal to AB plus CD. Okay, this can be written in the circuit diagram like this. A and B are taken as input, and between A and B there is an AND gate, and between C and D also there is an AND gate. Okay, here from this two wires came, and between them an OR gate. This is our output Y. Okay, to write this in gate level module, we have to mention the name of the gates and wires. Okay, this is gate 1, this is gate 2, and this is gate 3. This wire can be called as W1, and this wire can be called as W2. Okay, so now gate level program, HDL program. Okay, here the inputs are A, B and CD. Okay, we will write it as module. Here we can name it as program 1 of inputs. Okay, I will write small ABCD. Okay, A, B, C, D, and here the output is Y. Okay, then input, which are the inputs? A, B, C and D, and output is Y. Okay, then we have to write the gates, and with respect to we have to write their inputs and output. Okay, first we will take this one. This is an AND gate, so and now gate name G1, inside the bracket we have to write the input and output A comma B, and its output is W1, that is wire 1. So we have to write it here also wire. We have to, sorry, I forgot to mention that wires. Now wire, which are the wires? W1 and W2, semicolon close. Okay, then next after the G1, next G2. For G2 it is also AND gate, so and G2 of inputs are C and D, output is W2, and there is one more gate G3, that is OR gate, or G3 of W1 and W2 are the inputs of G3 and Y is the output. And now we can end the module. This is for gate level model. Okay, now we will write data flow level model. Okay, data flow, here we can write module program 2, inputs are A, B, C and D, output is Y. Okay, then we have to write input A, B, C and D, output is Y, and we have to assign the value for Y. Assign Y is equal to AB. Here we can see that AB plus CD, that we have to write here, that is A and B or C and D. That's it. Then end module. That's it. It's simple. Then next we will learn about behavioral level model. Okay, here also same module program 3, I name it as program 3. Okay, inputs are A, B, C, D and output is Y. Then input A, B, C, D, output is Y, and here we are writing REG Y. It is the syntax, okay. And now we are writing always at. Here we will write inputs, that is A or B or C or D, okay. That's like we have to write. And then we have to write conditions like if else, okay. If here, if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then Y value is equal to 1, okay. Here one bracket comes, okay. Now we will see it here, okay. If A value is 1 and B value is 1, AND gate will give 1. Here also C and D 1, and AND gate will give 1. Here OR gate 1 or 1, that will become 1, that is Y is equal to 1. Then another condition for Y is equal to 1 is else if C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1. This condition is proved here in OR. Irrespective of this, if this is 1, then irrespective of this it will become 1. And also according to this condition, if it gives 1, irrespective of this it will become 1, okay. That is Y is equal to 1. Then another condition, else condition, Y is equal to 0. If these two conditions are false, then automatically Y will become 0, okay. Then end module. That's it. If we execute these codes in the simulator, then we will get the output, okay. Here they are given an example. Here the input A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1. Here output 1 and output 2 are the wires W1 and W2, okay. After they are combining in the OR gate, then the output will become 1, that is upper line, okay. Then if A is 1, second example, A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1 and D is 0, what will be the output? We will see that, okay. Here the inputs are 1, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0, okay. Now if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, that is A is 1 and B is 0, A is 1 and B is 0, the output is 0. Here the wire 1 output is 0. In C and D, if C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0, that is 1 and 0, then also the output is 0. 1 0 and the output is 0. And here 0 comes 0. 0 or 0, that is 0 or 0, that will become 0. And Y is 0. Then the output is 0. Output is equal to 0. Here also they are given that wire 1 output is also 0 and wire 2 output is also 0. Then the whole output is also 0. That is lower line, okay.